Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Usually Unusual. I am Gitanjali Sharma and I hope you all are doing great. So today I have come up with a Nykaa haul and I ordered these things few months back and I ordered all of these things within a period of time. I have not ordered them together. So yeah, and I have few things maybe would be helpful for you all. So yeah, that was the introduction and I hope you enjoy watching the video, and the video is going to be long enough, so I would suggest you guys just grab something to eat or drink and just sit back and relax and enjoy watching the video. So let's just start the video. Okay, then the first thing which I am going to show you guys are these rose water thingies and these mint cucumber, like all the liquid products, as we can say. I don't know in what category they come. So first thing is this rose water, and this can be used as a toner as well, and this is from Khadi Naturals and Khadi Gold Rose Water. Actually, one thing more, I was looking for a brand which claims that it uses natural ingredients, like all the major key ingredients. They claim that they are natural, which are affordable at the same time. So I came across this brand Khadi Naturals and Khadi Gold. So I picked some of the products from this brand and I quite loved it. It works fine for me until now. So yeah, this rose water I've been using for a while now and I have been loving it. And one more thing, I have not ordered these things on MRP. कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट होगा ही सब पे. First thing is this is like this, like the rose water, and yeah, the basic rose water, and it works really fine. इस पे MRP is written 125, but I have not purchased it on 125 obviously. I will mention the prices on which I have bought things and it will be somewhere on the screen. And this is 210 ml ka bottle, and here it is from Khadi, and this works fine. You can get it if you want to. Then I have ordered this from Khadi Natural only, and this is mint and cucumber spray, and this is like really strong. I've got like एक के साथ एक free मिल रहा था, and I've got these two bottles, and this is really strong. I don't like इतनी ज़्यादा strong fragrance और इतना ज़्यादा strong effect of any product, so I don't like this. Then I have this spray bottle from Kama Ayurveda. This is the pure lavender water, and this is the smallest sized one pack, and this is 50 ml ka pack, and the fragrance is really nice and you can obviously get it if you want to. And this is really travel friendly. बहुत ही छोटी सी bottle है and बहुत ही lightweight है. You can obviously get it, and look at that. This is amazing, like the fragrance, and it is so refreshing. I love it. So yeah, that's that. Then I had ordered two things from their luxury वाली category में से, and these products are from Forest Essentials. मैंने पहले I wanted to try like the smaller packs, the travel sized packs, and these are the two things which I've ordered from their luxury thing, and they come in like really cute black and pink box and everything. The packaging was really great of this category, like the luxury one. And this is from this is like a facial toner, again the rose water. I'm obsessed with rose waters and these toners and everything. So yeah, so this is the rose water, pure rose water facial toner. And then we have this Forest Essential Kai delicate facial cleanser, and it is also like honey, lemon, rose water and everything. These both are 50 ml packs, and this was on MRP. I bought, there was no discount on them, not even 10 रुपए का discount on them. So yeah, these two things were great. Then now next product which we have is this coconut oil, and this coconut oil is from Nature's Tattva, as you can see. I hope you can see. And this is virgin coconut oil. I was looking for some cold pressed coconut oil, and I got this for myself. This is a 200 ml ka bottle, and it works fine. It's great. I have been using this and I have been loving this also. Then we have with us few lip balms with me, and which I am going to show you are these. And I'll show you. Like the first one is this from the Body Shop, and it's strawberry one, and it smells divine. So it smells divine, and I love this. Like even if I feel my lips are little bit of dry and chapped, so I use it. Like overnight I feel a difference in my lips ka texture. So it is really nice. I have been using it for a while now, and yeah, first lip balm. And then obviously lip balm बोला तो Maybelline का होना तो mandatory था. Maybelline is our school friend, every girl's school friend in fact. So I have this Maybelline का Pink Lolita, and it's normal, like जैसे normal chapsticks होते हैं, they are like that only. इसमें कुछ इतना खास नहीं है, like. So yeah, then we have this Winter Flush tinted lip balm Strawberry Crush. This is also from Maybelline New York, Baby Lips color Winter Flush. They together, like the two were in a pack. So this, and then I got this Maybelline's New York Alia Love NY limited edition, and this is in color Highline Wine, and the color is lovely. It's so pretty. I just dab with my finger because it's really dark. You cannot just swipe on your lips. I just dab my finger and just press it on my lips, somewhere on my cheeks, and that's it. I'm done. And it gives quite nice flush of color to my face and my lips. And yeah, these three and the Body Shop one, I have been using these lip balms for some time, and I have been loving them since then. Okay, then now we have some packs, like some face packs. And first of all, I have this M caffeine, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरनेट पे ट्रेंडिंग था few months back, और तभी मैंने भी लिया था. This is M caffeine Naked and Raw coffee face mask, and yeah, this video is not at all sponsored. Yeah, so I have bought all of these things with my own money, so this is not sponsored. I was just curious to try all these products, and that's why I've ordered them. I thought maybe I'll just put a video of reviewing, maybe कुछ किसी को कुछ help हो जाए, और जो वो चीज़ लेना चाहते थे अगर उसका रिव्यू अच्छा नहीं है तो they can just drop the idea that wasting your money is not a good idea, I think. Then okay, then coming back to my topic, and this face mask, M caffeine face mask I've ordered, and this is Naked and Raw coffee face mask. I have been using this. This is but all the products which are from M caffeine, their fragrance is to die for. Like they smell some good bakery shop, all this, like they are so yummy fragrances. All the products have this yummy fragrances of chocolates and coffee and cookies and whatnot. Like I love these fragrances of all the products from M caffeine, and this is one of them which is lovely. I can eat the face mask in spite of applying it on my face. I have been using this, and I have been loving it. So yeah, it is doing its job, but I won't say that बहुत ही कोई जादू ही हो जाएगा आपके फेस पे इसको लगाने के बाद. It will take time, and it works on your face. It cleanses your face. It just smaller your pores and just cleanses your face. I use this face mask for this purpose only. मुझे और कोई purpose नहीं पता. मुझे यही पता है कि मेरा face पे जो थोड़ी बहुत dirt होती है या pollution, dust and everything, that should be cleansed out from my face, like from my pores. It shouldn't get into my skin so that my skin gets acne or something. So मेरा main purpose होता है किसी भी mask को लगाने का कि मेरी skin साफ हो जाए. बाकी मेरी skin साफ हो जाती है इसको लगाने के बाद. I have been using this for a while, and I have been loving it. So yeah, you can give it a try. Of course there's no problem giving it a try, because I don't think that this is a bad deal. You are getting really good amount, like this can really. And also the packaging of this face mask is really good yaar, the glass bottle and everything I like कस्टमर्स को भी देख के खुशी मिलती है यार कि उन्होंने पैसा खर्चा है तो उनको कुछ मिल तो रहा है साथ में. सो काफ़ी लग्जरी पैकेजिंग है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो या देन आई हैव खादी नेचुरल का ही this massaging gel, and it's just like to calm your skin down and just to feel you better if you have like feeling your skin is looking dull and the all the glow and everything is gone from your face, then you can use it. And yeah, it is like working fine. I've used it once or twice, and okay, it's fine product. I will not say much about it because I have not used it much. तो इसलिए this is kind of a first, you can tell, I can tell you the first impression of this product because I have not used it many times. I just used it once or twice if I'm not wrong. So the first impression was okay, this is a good product, you can buy it. Then we have this is from Khadi Naturals only, the herbal face pack. Again, I am very lazy to like घर का कोई नुस्खा करने के लिए अपने ऊपर, so that's why I look for the options which have natural ingredients, and this gives me that. And this is Khadi fruit. So this face pack is a fruit face pack, and this comes in this kind of packaging. You get a powder of this, and then you can make a pack. मिक्स करके कुछ रोज़ वाटर और कच्चा दूध और समथिंग लाइक दैट, हनी, यू कैन जस्ट लाइक मेक अ पैक आउट ऑफ इट, जो भी आपकी स्किन के लिए बेटर है. लाइक समबडी, like some people does not like milk on their face and they can use rose water, some don't like rose water, then they can use honey, whatever suits you. You can like customize your face pack with this powder, and this is really, I quite like the packaging, like it's quite different. You get this छोटू सा स्टील का whatever thing is this, उसकी bottle में you get this pack. So this is quite nice. I have been using this and I have been loving this. This is really great. Yeah. And for teenagers, they are like, I don't think that teenagers को इतने chemical वाले products use करने चाहिए. So for them this is really nice. fruit face pack है, आप थोड़ा सा लगा लो, your skin will feel better, your skin will like get healed. So yeah, you can obviously apply it once a month or like so, जैसे भी आपको अपनी skin के हिसाब से decide करना है what do you want. And I think this is great product for teenagers. And yeah, then we have the star, Mamaearth. Obviously it has to be there. Nobody could stop it coming in a video where face masks are being talked, because the most talked face mask is this. And this is not sponsored, I know. I have been seeing all the videos of ranting about Mamaearth Upton face mask, Mamaearth Upton face mask. ये तो लेना ही था, इतना सुना था, इसको तो लेना ही पड़ना था, ये तो घर आ जाता अपने आप अगर नहीं लेते तो. और believe me on that, this is really very good product, very good product. Like this Upton face mask, it has saffron, turmeric, apricot oil. I am not some expert or something. I can just give you what I can just tell you what I feel on my skin, and really I just feel amazing when I use this face mask. It just cleanses your face so well. Like I have been using this product and I am almost done with this one. Almost done. Like only थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट बचा है, वो भी इधर उधर कहीं. बिल्कुल मैंने पूरी की पूरी ये बॉटल अकेले खाली कर दिया, क्योंकि आई हैव लव्ड दिस फेस मास्क. द फ्रेग्रेंस एंड एवरीथिंग, द प्रोडक्ट में जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड लाइक द की इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड एवरीथिंग, इट्स सो नाइस. आई डोंट नो ये नेचुरल है, ये क्लेम क्या कर रहे हैं, इनका पैराबिन फ्री फलाना ढिमकाना प्लास्टिक ये वो, मुझे उनका नहीं पता. पर seriously, the face mask is really good. You can always get your hands on it and you are going to love it. I'm sure you are going to love it. Okay, then now these two Khadi Natural ke hi products. One is the Sandal and Rose face pack, and I'm almost done with this one. I use this almost like a spot treatment when I get a छोटा सा zit or छोटा सा pimple somewhere on my face. I just take and put some rose water in it and I just apply on those spots, and this is really working nice for me. It dries out my pimple and it just works for me like that, and I have been loving this product. So this is Sandal and Rose face mask. I think ये products जो खादी नेचुरल के हैं ना, they are very affordable, very 100 या 200 की रेंज में आपको ये सारे products मिल रहे हैं. They are so affordable. जब आपको कुछ एक्सपेंसिव नहीं करना है अपने फेस के लिए, आई थिंक दीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर रियली नाइस. दीज आर नेचुरल, दीज आर इंडियन ब्रांड, सो वी शुड एनकरेज देम एनी हाउ. एंड जॉब इज ऑल्सो बीइंग डन. लाइक या आपको जो एक बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव प्रोडक्ट से मिल रहा है वही आपको इन टाइप के प्रोडक्ट से भी मिल रहा है. देन वाई नॉट गो फॉर अ चीपर ऑप्शंस. लाइक द Mamaearth वन इज एक्सपेंसिव मैन, 500 रुपये का है. Everybody cannot go for 500 रुपये का फेस मास्क, इवन आई कैन नॉट गो फॉर. पर हाँ, द जो क्वांटिटी मिल रही है आपको, दैट इज टू मच. यू कैन ऑलमोस्ट लाइक यूज इट फॉर 1 year एंड स्टिल मे बी आप पूरा फिनिश ना कर पाओ. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट since like full 1 year and this is still not over. But these products, they are really cheap, and I think one can go for them, no problem in that. You can give it a try, maybe this can work for your skin, and this is affordable. So yeah, what I was talking about, coming back to my topic, I just get carried away, so just excuse me on that. And this is like Sandal and Rose face pack, and this is amazing. You can try it. This is also again for teenager, like for यंगर स्किन, जिनकी स्किन पे भी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. यू जस्ट नीड सम क्लेंजिंग एंड दैट्स इट. उसके लिए ये सब बहुत अच्छा वर्क कर रहा है, एंड मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा सही वर्क करती हैं. तो एनी डे आई एम गोइंग फॉर देम, एनी डे. देन आई हैव दिस peel off mask from Khadi only, and this is also like a good product. I have not used it again. मैं कहूँगी कि I have used it only once, maybe not even, yeah, only once I have used it. So I can give you like my first impression. I can tell you कि ये कैसा within a period आपके ऊपर work करता है. But my first impression is that this works fine. मतलब मैं इतनी impressed नहीं हूँ. So even if you'll not buy this product, maybe peel off mask मेरे लिए इतना work नहीं करते हैं. मेरे लिए वही मास्क लगाओ, गेट इट ड्राइड एंड देन वॉश इट ऑफ, वो वाले मास्क मेरे पे ज़्यादा बेटर वर्क करते हैं. दीज पील ऑफ मास्क आई रियली डोंट गेट द आइडिया ऑफ, एंड नो, आई डिडंट लाइक द प्रोडक्ट. आई डोंट नो, आई यूज इट बिकॉज आई हैव बॉट इट, आई पुट माई मनी इन दिस, बट आई एम नॉट लविंग दिस वन.